The 1% rule operates on a simple, pero pag titingnan natin yung malawakang principle nito, ay malaking ikakaunlad po natin ito, especially in our financial life. Example, pag consistent po tayong nag-iipon, di ba? It will lead us into massive savings or higher savings. Maliit na mga improvements, pero pag paulit-ulit or consistent po nating ginagawa, ay nagko-compound po ito at tiyak magugulat ka na lang sa resulta. Ang 1% improvement today ay parang wala lang sa atin. Example, reading a few pages, adding 5 minutes to workout, saving 50 pesos. These are small steps at pwedeng mabaliwala pag ginawa mo yan just for a few days or weeks. Pero alam po ninyo where the magic lies? It's in you. If you do it consistently and you never give up until you reach your goal or yung purpose mo why you are doing it, those few steps can multiply. Kaya nga kapag sinasabi nating mag-ipon tayo, mas maganda yung pakonti-konti as long as consistent po tayo than yung nilalakihan para matapos agad or ma-achieve agad yung ipon goal. Pero mamaya bigla mo ding tutukutin. Kaya okay lang na i-maintain po natin yung 1% each day na action natin. And in a year, you'll be nearly 38 times better than where you started. How will you know if malapit ka na sa financial goals mo? Simple lang, magkaroon ka ng tracking notebook or calendar, or dapat meron kang journal na pinagsusulatan ng inyong goal or every day na achievement po ninyo. Is there a progress or wala? Meron ka bang ginawa para sa inyong goal or wala? For example, ang goal po natin is 500,000 na savings sa cooperative or sa bangko by the end of 2025. Kapag may tracking notebook po tayo, doon po natin isusulat na dapat per day, dapat 1/4 ang pinapakolekta natin sa co-op or sa bangko. Tapos, in a month, dapat merong lalabas na 42,000 per month and you'll achieve the 500,000. Kaya kapag hindi mo na-achieve yung isang buwan mo, then kailangan doble sa next month. Kaya kapag consistent po tayo sa ating 1,400 na savings every day, then you're gonna achieve this. Magko-compound po ito. Compound effect is where the 1% truly shines. It's like the interest on your savings at cooperatives or banks. Small gains build upon themselves exponentially. First few weeks parang okay pa, pero pag after 2 or 3 weeks parang nawawalan ka na ng gana na ituloy. Pero pag tinuloy-tuloy mo, you can achieve it. Hindi lang yung achievement mo ang makikita dito, but how did you achieve it? So your growth steepers, your skills sharpen, your knowledge deepens, your strength increases. Kaya by next year, you know na kayang-kaya mo na kasi na-erase na yung fear and doubts mo eh. Naging natural na lang sa'yo ang pag-abot mo sa inyong second 500,000 na savings. Sa umpisa kasi, some will agree that 1% na ginawa mo ay parang ang bagal. Ang bagal naman. Kaya minsan gusto natin yung one-time big shot, yung biglang pagyaman. Kaya don't underestimate the 1% rule. The 1% rule is not about speed, but it's about sustainability. Kaya pag i-apply po natin ito, it will require us patience and trust in the process. This rule does not demand perfection. Persistence lang ang katapat nito. Dapat matyaga po talaga tayo. And I hope this video helps po sa ating lahat and sana magtagumpay po tayong lahat.